Today we're going to learn about speed word problems. Let's say we have a problem like Ron left town A and reached town B in 9 hours. John left town A an hour later than Ron and drives towards town B. John was traveling at the speed of 9 kilometers per hour, slower than Ron. When Ron reached town B, John had reached 4/5 of the distance. What is the distance between the two towns? Now let's draw the road that connects town A and town B. This is the road that connects both town A and town B. Here is town A for town A, and here is town B, B for town B. Ron left town A. Ron left town A and traveled towards town B. Ron reached town B in 9 hours. One hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, and 9 hours. Now, let's say that Ron's speed is equal to R. So, RS, Ron's speed, is equal to R kilometers per hour. So this means that Ron traveled in 1 hour, 1 R kilometers, in 2 hours, 2 R kilometers, in 3 hours, 3 R kilometers, in 4 hours, 4 R kilometers, in 5 hours, 5 R kilometers, in 6 hours, 6 R kilometers, in 7 hours, 7 R kilometers, in 8 hours, 8 R kilometers, and in 9 hours, 9 R kilometers. Now let's move on to the case of John. Now John was traveling 9 kilometers per hour slower than Ron. So Ron's speed is equal to R kilometers per hour. So this means that John's speed, JS, J for John, S for speed, is equal to R minus 9 kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. Now we also know that John started 1 hour later, an hour later than Ron. So this means that Ron was right here when John started. J is for John and R is for Ron. So this means that the time that John took to travel is equal to 9 equal to 9 minus 1, because Ron had already traveled for 1 hour, which is equal to 8 hours. So John time is equal to 8 hours. So this means that the John distance is equal to 8 into parentheses r minus 9, which is equal to 8r, because 8 times r is 8r, minus 72. So John's distance that he traveled in 8 hours is 8r minus 72 kilometers. Now, it also states in the problem that John had reached 4/5 of the distance. So this means that 4/5 of the distance is equal to 8r minus 72. 8r, make this a capital R, 8r minus 72. So this means that 1/5 is equal to 8r minus 72 over 4, which is equal to 8r divided by 4 is 2r, minus 72 divided by 4 is 18. So 1/5 of the journey is equal to 2r minus 18. So 5/5 of the journey is equal to 2r minus 18 times 5, which is equal to 2r times 5 is 10r minus 5 times 18 is equal to 90. But whoa, the journey is also 9r kilometers. So this means that 9r is equal to 10r minus 90 kilometers. Now let's get the variables on one side of the equation and the numbers on the other side. So we subtract both the sides by 9r minus 9r and add both the sides by 90. So plus 90 and plus 90. So this is equal to 9r minus 9r is 0, plus 90 is 90, and 10r minus 90 plus 90 is 10r minus 9r is equal to r. So this means that 90 is equal to r. Now we need to find the total distance between the two towns. Let's also label here that 1r is equal to 90 kilometers. Now, we know that the whole journey is equal to 9 hours. So r is equal to 90 kilometers. So this means that 9r is equal to 90 times 9, which is equal to 810 kilometers. So the distance between the two towns is 810 kilometers. The distance between the two towns is 810 kilometers. Today we learned about speed word problems. Thank you for watching this video.